What's the difference between shocks and struts? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So essentially, shocks and struts do the same thing on the car. When we go over bumps, our tires bounce and can bounce off of the roadway. So the purpose of a shock or a strut is to keep our tires in contact with the pavement. Because if they don't stay in contact with the pavement, our stopping distance increases and the car doesn't handle as well. So the way they do that is they actually have a fluid and a pressurized gas inside of them, and there's a valve inside. So as we try to move a shaft inside of a tube, that fluid restricts how fast it can move, and that's how it absorbs that motion from the tires. That's why we call them shock absorbers. Now the difference between a shock, which is what this one is, and a strut is basically the type of suspension that the vehicle has and how they attach to it. So if the suspension has components where it can fully sit on its own without a shock, then that's when we use a shock. So we could take it out, the car would still sit there and everything. But a strut has different components on it so that we can actually put the spring and support the weight of the vehicle on the strut. So they do the same function, they just attach differently and are for different types of suspension. So I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.